Guten Erev Shabbos. Welcome to a taste of Shabbos, Parshas Vayechi, the final Parsha in the book of Bereshis, before we say Chazak. And Chazak is what we say to Torah Anytime, for all the chizuk that Torah Anytime provides. One of the noteworthy details and sugyas within Parshas Vayechi are the different brachos that the Shiftei Ka received from their father Yaakov before his demise. And I want to share with you a thought that I heard from my Rebbe, Rabbi Wein, who quotes Rav Tzadok HaKohen, who brings the great question and seeming inconsistency between the bracha of Reuven by Yaakov, his father, and by Moshe Rabbeinu. Yaakov says to his son, Pachas kamayim al tosar, you're impetuous, Reuven. Ki alisa mishkevei avicha, you went and you moved your father's bed. Chilalti yitzuai Allah, you profaned the Shechina. Reuven, what did you do? You blew it. You lost the kahuna, you lost the malucha. Reuven, you didn't do it. And at the end of Dvarim, every year, by Simchas Torah, we read that Moshe Rabbeinu also gives brachos. And he starts with Reuven antithetically. Yechi Reuven v'al yamus. Reuven, you're going to live and you're never going to die. You're the greatest, Reuven. Sounds like they're talking about two different people, two different tribes. Now granted, one was speaking to Reuven the person, and one was speaking to Reuven the tribe. But Rav Tzadok points out a different insight that I think is such an important truth for all of us that are either involved in the chinuch of our children and or the chinuch of our students. And that is that the difference between Yaakov and Moshe and the way that they blessed Reuven is the difference between a father and a Rebbe. As Rabbi Wein used to say, if a son comes home from yeshiva with a 70 on his Gemara test, his father says, Reuven, you only got a 70? And a good Rebbe gives Reuven a hug and says, Reuven, you got a 70? Next time you're going to get an 80. Yechi Reuven v'al yamas. We need both. We need fathers, we need Rebbes. Some, if they're very fortunate, the father could be the Rebbe also, but that's not the norm. But this divergence, the difference of style of bracha that Yaakov and Moshe give, remind us of the natural inclination of a parent to want more from their child, whereas a Rebbe is trying to build the child from where they're at. Together, the Rebbe and the father will join and help that son and Talmud reach his greatest potential. Good Shabbos.